Welcome, everyone! In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of uploading a video to your Facebook account, complete with captions and scheduling. Whether you're sharing personal moments or promoting your content, Facebook's features. Let's get started. First, go to your Facebook account. Click on your profile picture and navigate to the Facebook Studio section. Once there, look for the content options and click on them. Next, locate a longer video featuring yourself. When you find it, click on the three dots, ellipses, on the top right corner of the video. Below, you'll find the Create Reel option. Click on it, and then proceed to trim the video as needed. Now, you'll notice the Cancel button on the next screen. Before proceeding, click on Layout and select Crop from the options on the left side. Afterward, you'll have various options to choose from. For this guide, let's select the vertical option and crop the video accordingly. Click Next to continue. Now you'll see a range of options, but let's focus on adding captions first. Once you've added the captions, you can schedule the post and then click on Publish to release it. This revised script is clearer and more detailed, making it easier to follow the steps. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can effortlessly create and publish a captivating video on Facebook. Remember to add captions for engagement